الرحمن الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم نحمدہ و نصلی علی رسولہ الکریم. Pakistan condemns in the strongest possible terms the Israeli aggression against the brotherly country of Qatar. This highly provocative and reckless action constitutes a blatant violation of Qatar's sovereignty as well as international law, the UN Charter, and the established norms governing interstate relations. Pakistan expresses its complete solidarity with the brotherly. This reckless action by Israel is yet another manifestation of its continued disregard for international peace and security and its policy of destabilizing the region. Pakistan has consistently maintained that such impunity must not be tolerated by the international community. We reaffirm our principled position in support of the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Qatar and call upon the international community to hold Israel accountable. Pakistan will continue to stand shoulder to shoulder with the brotherly people and the leadership of Qatar in defense of their national sovereignty and security. Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif, undertook an official visit to the state of Qatar to express solidarity with the people and leadership of the state of Qatar in the wake of recent Israeli attack on Doha. During his visit, the Prime Minister held a very warm and cordial meeting with the Amir of